What is Shopify and how does it work? In this video, I will explain to you what is Shopify. In a nutshell, Shopify, this is an e-commerce platform whereby that you can help to sell your online stores here or the e-commerce stores here with Shopify. This is a dropshipping platform that you can use Shopify. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm also going to show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to be able to get started with 30 days free trial on Shopify. Now let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. You have to go to products. You can also import existing stores. If you already have a store, you can just import them here on Shopify. But now let me show you how to add your own Shopify store here. So what you need to do, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. You can also write the title here, and also you can also write the product description so that your customers will have an idea on what your product does or what your product do, But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify. When you just click here to generate text, you have to put some keywords. This AI tool is gonna write the content description, it's gonna write the product description for you automatically. All you have to do, put some features or keywords about the product that you want to sell here on Shopify. After that, just click here to generate. As you can see that this AI tool, it is done writing this content for me, this product description for me automatically. You can also generate it again if you don't like it, but I'm gonna keep it. That's what you can do. Then you can also go to media. Under media, you can able to upload product images that you want to sell on Shopify, so that the customers, they will see what product it looks like, Then you can also go to category. Under category, you have to choose which category does your product falls under, which category. Then you can go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price of the product that you want to sell, like how much your customers they are willing to buy the product that you will be selling on Shopify. Then we'll go to cost per item, meaning that like how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier, maybe on Zenrop. There are so many suppliers that you can choose from. Just look at how much it's going to cost you. Then Shopify is going to show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making. That is so easy, guys, to add your own products on Shopify. It is so easy. Even a 10-year-old can do it if that 10-year-old is following these instructions. You can do it. Leave everything default. Do not change anything there. Just leave everything in default. Then you can save this product here. You click save or discard. Then after that, you can go to collections. Then under collections, you can able to see how many collections you have on a Shopify store, But for me, I only have one homepage. You can also create collections here on Shopify, Then you can go to customers. Under customers, you can able to manage your customers' details, You can see the customers who purchase from you. Maybe there are some customers who are going to purchase from you multiple times, guys, okay? Just keep in mind, you're going to see all of those data here. You can also import existing customers here on Shopify, Then when you go to analytics, under analytics, you can able to see how your store it is performing right now. You can see the total sales that you got. You can see the total sales that you got today. The total sales that you made yesterday, last 30 days. You can do some customized features here. You can also go to online store conversion rate and check on how your store it is performing, guys, okay? Then you can also check the total orders on a specific days. You can change them here. You can also check the top selling products. If you are selling multiple products on Shopify, you can see them here. You can also go to returning customer rate and also the sales attributed to marketing. All of those things, you can see them on Shopify. Not only that, what else you can do with Shopify? You can also go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email marketing, to send email automations on your customers so that you can be able to sell multiple stores in your customers via emails. But you can also offer some discounts, When you offer discounts, 25% off, especially on holidays, your customers, they're going to buy through you in your Shopify stores. Then you're going to get a lot of orders, guys, okay? You can also go to online store. These are the themes that you can use on Shopify. You can also check all of these themes for you. These are the done for you themes on Shopify that you can just add them here to your own store, guys. Okay, that was my Shopify, guys. Okay, I explained to you what is Shopify, and also how Shopify it works, guys. Okay, but first of all, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started for 30 days free trial on Shopify. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you sharp.